Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Fit rear wiper blade. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new replacement wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Honda Fit is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. This simple maintenance task is quick, usually taking around 10 minutes, and significantly improves your rear visibility. To begin, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly with your thumb or a small flathead screwdriver. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm to remove it. Now, take your new Honda Fit rear wiper blade. Carefully align the new blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's fully seated and won't detach during operation. Once the new blade is installed, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Before driving, activate your rear wiper and spray some washer fluid to ensure the new blade operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. This quick check confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.